so finally, ito na yung pinakihintay nating Taiwan trip. So before that, kailangan natin mag-complete ng forms. So first, ang ginawa namin is to open the eGov app. This is it, eTravel Philippine Travel Information System. So you have to put in your passport information, kung saan yung location ng travel mo, dates, and time as well, pati yung mga flight details nyo. So after nyo ma-complete yan, you'll be provided a QR code na ipipresent mo mismo sa airport. So yan. Okay. So, ayan, you will receive an email as well from eGov. Kindly present your passport to the immigration officer for eTravel registration. Ayan, so, one down. Next is yung Taiwan arrival. Yan. So, click lang natin yan kahit hindi natin maintindihan. Ayan, so instructions for submitting online arrival card. Okay. Ayan. Instructions for submitting online arrival card. Okay, so click tayo ng next. Okay. Ayan, so English family name, that is your surname. Given name, ikaw kung may Chinese name ka, lagay mo dyan. So, mostly naman ang pinawalan Chinese name. So, leave it blank. Date of birth, gender, tapos country, yan. So, hanapin natin ang Philippines. Okay. Sana. Okay. Philippines. And then, city, state, or province. Lalagyan mo lang dyan. Then next. Oh nga pala, kailangan ng required. So, after nyan, i-ask yung, passport and also your flight details. And after mo makomplete yan, bibigyan kanila ng QR code. Isa-send nila. Actually, hindi pala QR code, parang barcode. So, isi-send nila yan sa email mo and then you have to take a screenshot. In our case, ang ginawa ko is pinirint out ko. Just in case. Para in case na may hindi ma-access yung phone, worst case scenario, meron kaming printed copy. So, ayan. So, okay, next naman. So, next yung Taiwan Lucky Lunch. Just in case, diba? Baka manalo ka. So, it's either e-ticket or accommodation vouchers. So, Google mo lang Taiwan Lucky Land. Yung first result yun. Click mo siya. There you go. Register to win $5,000 NTD. Okay. So, lucky draw. Register at least 1 day and within 7 days before arrival. Step 2. Try your luck and draw at the arrivals hall of airports in Taiwan. Step 3. Receive your prize on the spot and enjoy your trip to Taiwan. Ayan o. Sana pala rin tayo. So, naka-register na kami kanina. So, ngayon, tingnan lang natin kung paano. How to join section. Yan, may FAQs din siya. Yan. Diba? So, register. Yun. Eligibility for foreign independent travelers who hold foreign passports. Okay. So, once nabasa mo na lahat yan, and you agree to the above terms and conditions, click mo lang yan. So, ito ay hanggang June 30 lang this year. So, may panahon pa para manalo. Lahat ng pupunta sa Taiwan on or before June 30. So, register for the lucky draw. You have to put in your last name, middle name, first name, your passport number, nationality, arrival airport, date of arrival, kasi kami Terminal 1. So, yan, Terminal 1 yung pinili ko. Date of arrival nyo, arrival flight, and yung flight number nyo. So, date of departure, uwi nyo, time of departure, departure flight, flight number nyo ulit yan, your email. Kasi dyan nyo ma-receive yung QR. Okay, travel prices option. So, you have the option to choose accommodation and e-ticket. Mas pinili namin yung e-ticket kasi meron na kaming book na hotel. So, ayun, di na namin kailangan yan. Although, yung iba, sabi nila, pag accommodation vouchers daw yung pinili, mas marami daw nakakakuha. So, ayun. Pero, you can use it naman kung hindi mo siya gagamitin sa hotel booking. You can use it naman daw sa mga buffet nila dun or mga restaurants sa hotels na affiliated. So, after nyan, verification code, yan. So, when registering for the lucky draw, the registrant is responsible. So, after mo mabasa lahat yan, nag-agree ka, tick mo lang yung box, and then send. Once na-send mo siya, sasabihin, submitted na, and you'll be able to receive the QR code. So, you can just screenshot the QR code sa phone mo para mabilis na lang ipapakita mo lang dun. Or you can just print it out. Kung mga oldies or mga old school, like me, mas gusto ko na printed yung mga gagamitin namin. Just in case lang. Lagi akong worst case scenario eh. So, ayan. Okay. Ready na for a Taiwan trip. So, ayun guys, nag-ready na kami for our alis later. Ang flight namin tomorrow is around 6:50 in the morning. Pero pupunta na kami ng airport at around siguro 2 a.m. Kasi kailangan 3 p.m. nandun na daw kami. Kasi syempre dadaan ka pa ng immigration. So, baka mahaba yung pila. So, kanina, nag-practice na kami ni tatay sa immigration. Kasi baka mumali ng sabi, diba? This will be your first international family trip. Ayan, diba? Kinakabahan na. So, ayan, tinanong-tanong ko siya, in-interview ko na siya. So, para ready, diba? Kasi, syempre ako yung nag-book lahat ng mga namin, hotels, mga tours namin, and tickets. Siyempre, baka sabihin, saan ka pupunta? Tapos, hindi niya alam, diba? So, ayun, binirief ko na siya kung kailan ang punta namin, kailan ang uwi, kailan ang uwi mo. So, 16 ang uwi namin. In-interview ko siya, tinanong ko siya. Sabi niya, April 15. Diba? Failed na agad. Baka ma-offload tayo niyan. Yun. So, magpa-practice na kami muna and then magpapahinga kasi onting hours na lang yung itutulog namin. So, in case na hindi ako makatulog mamaya, 24 hours akong gising kasi from work, nagising ako kanina na around 1 a.m. then. So, hindi ako makatulog, 24 hours na akong hindi makatulog. Tapos, pagdating pa to, syempre, hindi na ako makatulog niya sa sobrang excited, diba? Tapos pagdating doon, baka doon ako antukin. Yun ang problema. Pero yun nga. Tingnan natin mamaya. So, later na lang ulit guys. Okay guys, nag-ready na kami. It's 1:53 a.m. So, kailangan 3 a.m. na sa airport na kami. So, nakapack na kami. Hintay na lang namin si tatay matapos. Then, magbubook na kami ng Grab going to Terminal 3. Guys, ayun na mga bags namin. So, 3 hand carry at 1 check-in. Guys, we're already at the airport.
Ilipat ko na lang sa'yo yung ibang gamit ni Suri.
Oo, yung ano, di ba 5 kilos lang yung check, ano ko, yung hand carry. Alam ko na marami accessories yan. Okay.
Say hi to Mommy's vlog. Today we're here in the airport. We're going to Taiwan. We went to the airport early in the morning, and then we absolutely wake up at 1 a.m. and then our flight will be on 10 a.m. and we'll land at 12. And then on 9 to 12
we scheduled this on 9 to 12.
We are going to the Taiwan street food market.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob. Bayad na rin tayo ng travel tax ni Suri. So, ang binayaran lang namin is yung sa amin ni tatay na dalawa. Then, half yung kay Suri lang since 11 years old lang siya. So, ayun. Dito na kami nakapila para mag-check-in. Ano, ang haba ng pila. Okay guys, tapos na kami mag-check-in. Ito, immigration na kami. Okay guys, tapos na kami sa immigration. So magsasalayan. Okay, dito na tayo sa lounge. Kaya, doon tayo sa bags. Tingnan natin kung may... Guys, puno!
Hi vlog!
Puno yung mahaba and bags. So, nagpalista na tayo. Wait na lang tayo. Tawagan. Or message. Baba na tayo, guys. Hello, ayan. Nakareceive na tayo ng text from Pags. So, punta tayo ngayon sa lounge. Tingnan natin kung may available seats. So, ito try natin, Carol, yung lounge key access natin sa Pags. Kung pwede. Wala pa siyang access. Di pa niya na, yung app. Kaka-download lang niya ng app. Naku, my God. O, ayan. Kung sakaling hindi pwede, babayad na lang tayo ng additional. Kasi lahat kami nasa lounge tapos wala.
Mukhang pre-taste pa din.
Hindi naka-platinum yan JCB platinum yan. wala namang card number eh. Hindi ko naman binibigay card number mo. So, nandito sila, yung brother ko at yung family niya sa Marhaba. Ayun sila. So, dito tayo sa Pags. Kami naman yung kakain ngayon. Dito tayo sa Pags. Chicken bola-bola siopaw. Ito. Chicken Shanghai. Tips. Spinach pasta.
Bilang lumiwanag na pala.
Yun guys, nag-CR na kami. So, boarding na ng 6:05. Then, wait na lang namin sila. Nag-CR lang sila. Okay, let's go. Boarding na. Halika na, let's go. Yan, diretso na kami. It's boarding time. Nauna na sila doon. So, susunod na kami. 6:50 yung flight. Dito palang pagod na kami. Paano pa mamaya? Tsaka in the coming days. Ang yapang, may curl ka?
Yeah.
Okay guys, delayed ang flight natin. Congested daw kasi. So,
number 5. Ganun din naman yun. Hindi siya mukhang masaya. Hindi, antok na yan, pagod na.
Yung mga nag-uumpisa pagod na.
Ito.
Punta na kami ng plane. Nasa plane na kami.
Advent with you. We are now ready to depart for Taipei, Taiwan. In command of this aircraft is Captain Elijah Iwami and Captain Christopher Rocket. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes. For your information,
Don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape.